In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam must be running to play this game error in about 5 minutes. This common problem can be quite frustrating, especially when you're eager to jump into a game. So let's go through a step-by-step process to resolve this issue as smoothly as possible. First things first, let's start with restarting Steam. This is a simple but effective way of resolving many minor issues. Simply close the Steam application completely and ensure it's not running in the background. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This gives Steam a chance to reset certain settings which might be contributing to the problem. Next, you want to ensure that your system's security settings are not interfering with Steam. This involves heading over to your Windows Defender Security Center. Within this hub, you should navigate to the firewall settings. Sometimes Windows Firewall can accidentally block parts of Steam that need access to run correctly. By disabling any inappropriate blocks, you prevent any potential hiccups in Steam's normal operation. Be sure, of course, to re-enable your security settings afterward for your system's safety. With that sorted, go back to Steam and locate the settings menu. Within here, head over to the interface section, look for client beta participation and set it to none. This step ensures that you're not opting into any potentially unstable beta version of Steam that could be causing compatibility issues. Now navigate to your Steam library, choose the game that's giving you trouble and right click on it. Select properties from the drop down and then go to the installed files tab. Here you'll want to click on verify the integrity of game files. This function checks for any corrupt or missing files related to your game and automatically replaces them if needed. It's an excellent way to fix errors that originate from the game files themselves. Moving on, there's another aspect to consider: mods. If you have mods installed, head over to the workshop section of your game and temporarily disable them. Mods can sometimes interfere with the game's ability to launch properly, so this is a great troubleshooting step. Finally, if none of these solutions work, you might need to uninstall and then reinstall the Steam application. This refreshes all of Steam's components and can resolve persistent issues that have resisted other solutions. Make sure to back up any important files and settings associated with your Steam account before proceeding. Hopefully with these steps you're able to dive back into your favourite games without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Happy gaming!